In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from your Chime account to your Coinbase. First of all, you need to link your Chime account to Coinbase. You need to open the Coinbase app or website, go to your profile, then go to the settings, and there will be payment methods. After that, you need to select add a payment method. You need to choose bank account, and you need to select Chime Bank from the list. Then you need to sign in into your Chime account using your credentials, and you will link your Chime account to your Coinbase. Then you will be able to deposit directly from your Chime account to Coinbase. So in Coinbase, you need to tap on buy and sell, then add cash or deposit USD. You need to select the payment method. In this case, it will be Chime bank account. Then you need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer, and then you can finalize the transaction. Usually it will take 3 to 5 business days to arrive your money. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.